Hey guys, what's going on? Vitaly Dubin is here. Super excited to share with you right now in this video how you can earn Tron on a daily basis, coming directly and instantly into your personal Tron wallet that you control the private key. It's been absolutely crazy. This new smart contract on the Tron blockchain has been deployed yesterday. Already 12,400 people have registered and over 106 million Tron has been earned. It's been less than 24 hours. I was right there with all the 4 founders of Forsage Tron, seeing how this live new contract is being deployed, and it just went crazy. in the first 6 hours, I was able to generate over 8.3 million Tron with this contract, and I want to show you how it works and how it is possible for you to generate Tron on a daily basis with this absolutely amazing and verified and transparent smart contract. You can see right here, everything is transparent on the blockchain. This is 100 Tron, 1600 Tron, 800 Tron, 1600, 800, 6400, you know, all of these pages and pages. It has been literally in the last hour or so. You can see the last 2 hours, right? So it literally happened. The first transaction I'm going to show you right here on page 40, it was 16 hours ago. It's not been even 24 hours, and I already been able to generate with this new smart contract $257,000. Now this is just the beginning, because this project is an expansion of what the Forsage community has been able to create. It's breaking all records with Forsage on the Ethereum blockchain, reaching almost 1 million participants and still joining every single day several thousand people. Right now, the fees are very high on the Ethereum blockchain for a variety of reasons. The DeFi space has been booming. Sometimes fees are $10 and $20 and $30. So right now, the Tron blockchain is the way to go, with instant transactions and very, very tiny fees into the cents, you know, 5, 10 cents. I mean, it's really, really cheap to do this on the Tron blockchain, and it's working super, super fast. So I want to show you how you can generate crypto with this smart contract, how it works. And this is the beauty of this. It's a decentralized smart contract, which means, you know, you can see it right here. Every single transaction, you can see the smart contract address is right here. This is the contract address. You can see all the transactions that are happening right now, like 48,000 transactions that are happening. Okay, it's going like crazy. You can see the contract right here. This is the contract. This is the code. It's unchangeable. Once the code is up there, nobody can change it. Not the owners, not the founders. Nobody can change or modify anything. So it's going to continue working the way it is. And decentralized means that essentially there's no admin needed to run the project and pay people out. Everything is happening instantly, and 100% of the payment goes to the members of the project. So all of this Tron that is being earned, that's participants that are earning this Tron. It's not the owners or the founders, it's the people that are in the project. 100% of it goes to the members, and you can experience crazy spillovers as well with this project. It just barely got started. We have also Forsage X Gold is coming very soon on the Tron blockchain, which is in 2 to 4 weeks. You can set your goals and achieve them with this project. You have the Forsage Academy and translating into over 10 languages. You know, we have so many things that are coming with this project, and it is amazing team of developers and coders. So here's what I love about this project. You can get started with as little as 200 Tron, which is $6 right now or so. When you register, is 100 Tron goes to Forsage X3 and 100 Tron goes to Forsage X4. I'll explain how it works in just a moment, okay? And essentially, there's unlimited earning potential here. There's nobody limiting to you how much income you can earn with this project. It's literally, you know, however you grow the network, you can earn right here, okay? And people get started with a small amount of capital right here. I mean, $6 bucks. It's very affordable, very tiny fees, and it is awesome. You can even earn with spillovers, which is those dots right here. You can see overflow from the bottom, from the up, like in the spot right here. Those two places is an overflow. It's $11,000 right here, and it is an overflow. Okay, so let me share with you how it works and how you can participate right now before it is into the millions. Okay, so first of all, you can see the information right here. There is two matrices. One is X3 and the other one is X4. In X3 you have 3 spots. The first two spots that are filled, and it goes to your wallet directly and personally into your personal wallet that you control the private key. You can open up a wallet, okay? You can open up a wallet with Tron Link, okay? With Tron Link right here, tronlink.org. It's a Google Chrome extension that I'm personally using, all right? You can also register with Android and iOS as well, like with Tron Wallet, for example. Okay, and it goes directly to your wallet. The third one cycles you and essentially created a new 3 empty spots under you. Okay, so Forsage 3 is for your personal direct referrals. That's the only people that can show up right here in this matrix. Pretty cool. And the Forsage X4 is a team build. Okay, you have 6 spots right here. The first line you have 2 that is actually going to the ID that you're under in this matrix, okay, in the cycle. And it's not necessarily the person that invited you to this project, your upline. It can be somebody else that you cycle into this time in this cycle. So the first line you see in purple, those 2 goes to the higher ID. You earn from number 3, 4, and 5, those green wallets. Okay, you earn from those. It goes directly into your wallet, as you can see right here under internal transactions. Actually, not here. You can click on the Tron scan right here to internal transactions. It comes to your personal wallet that you control the private key. Here is 2 minutes ago, 25,600 Tron just came in. Okay, getting crazy. Then you have the 6th one cycles you. The 6th one cycles you and create a new spot. Now, if your people, okay, somewhere in the downline, they are upgrading to higher slots than you are, then you may see this yellow triangle with an exclamation mark, meaning that you have missed out on some income, okay? Because you have not bought a position in the matrix into this slot. You buy the slots once, okay, and you can earn on them over and over and over and over and over again. Okay, you can cycle a limited amount of times and earn over and over and over again. So right now, we are growing like crazy. You can position yourself just opening Tron Link wallet, okay, with your Google Chrome. Open it up and load it up with Tron. There is a variety of ways that you can buy Tron on different exchanges, okay, and load it up with Tron. Make sure that you write down on a piece of paper in a safe place the seed phrase, okay, and open up the account. And then you can link, once you register, you can link your wallet essentially to the smart contract, and you do it in a very simple way. Okay, you click on automatic registration right here, and it will ask you to connect your wallet like Tron Link. Okay, and if I do it right now, there is no, it requires a Tron wallet, okay, because I open an incognito window. Okay, but essentially here I'll demonstrate to you. Maybe I don't have a third account. So yeah, essentially it will ask you to accept the 200 Tron, and it opened the slot number 1 and slot number 2 in the matrix. Now there are 15 slots. The first 12 slots are doubling on each of the slots. So you start with 100 Tron, then 200 Tron, 400 Tron, 800 Tron, 1600, all the way to 204,800 Tron. And then it has 75% more, 358,400, 627,200, and 1,097,600 Tron. Okay, I have all of these slots open because I'm going all in, always going all in any opportunity. And right here you can see that essentially this is the X3 and all of these cycles, and this is the X4, and you can see the statistics. Okay, you can see the statistics, what's going on right here. Very cool. You can see the partners in your structure. Okay, the number of registration partners in the structure. All right, and next you can also set up a goal. Okay, what you want, what is your goal? You can set a target. Okay, and you can see the progress, like the same thing like with here. You can set up a goal and reach your target and reach your goal, and see the percentages. Okay, the same here. You can add a picture and a description, and what is your goal, what is your dream, and how Forsage Tron can help you achieve your goal and dream. Okay, so very cool, very cool concept. So this is how simple it is to get started. It's very simple and yet very lucrative project. Okay, and there is no analog to this. Okay, it's really cool because it's decentralized and we can trust the smart contract. Okay, we cannot trust the centralized owners and what they're doing with their money, but we can trust a decentralized smart contract. It's going to continue working the way the code is being built and developed, and nobody can change it, nobody can touch it. And the best part, you get the Tron instantly and directly into your personal Tron wallet. So you don't need to wait for a withdrawal. Okay, you get it instantly into your personal wallet that you control the private key. Okay, so that's in a nutshell about this project, and you'll see some more video tutorials right here on this page, how to get started. Essentially, you set up a Tron link. Okay, that's what I did with the Google Chrome extension. All right, and essentially you use the link right here on this page and register under the correct ID and open an account, open up slots. X4 is more of a team build and spillover. Here's your personal, more of your personal matrix. You can get also those type of partners like here, purple circle. Okay, which means that somebody is upgrading to the higher slot before his upline. Okay, so you can see that. You can see the affiliate link right here, and Forsage X Gold is coming in 2 to 4 weeks, which is going to be crazy. Another well, details on that will come later. So you have the also like here we'll have the notification bot that is going to be enabled very soon, and that will allow you to see how much you are earning with the smart contract, okay, into your wallet. And this is an extension of the Ethereum blockchain. You have Ethereum blockchain, you have the Tron blockchain, so you can you know, build with both. Right now Ethereum is very expensive with the fees, you know, that's why the Tron is booming so much. Okay, so by the time you're watching this video, there's going to be many more participants, many more Tron earned, and yeah, this is exciting times. So go ahead and get started, and we'll see you on the inside.